how to make money how to make money online in 2026 step by step guide. Here in this video today I'm talking on how to make money online step by step. You've been struggling on how to make money and a way, fastest way and easiest way how to start it, but you may not know, but you want to know, you want to start in 2026. Here is step by step on how to make easier for you to make money in 2026 step by step. The fastest answer: make money online is very doable. It is very doable for you to make money online. It is not something too hard that you couldn't do. If someone like me can do, and you also can do it, so it is very, it does not, sometimes it does not need skills. Yes, sometimes it needs skills, but the skills you need to you need to go through it and adopt the skills. Making money online is very doable, but the best approach depends on your skills. As I say, time and how quickly you want result. Here is clear breakdown, so you can pick one that fits you. Number one, freelancing, fastest way to start. If you have any skills, even basic, you can earn quickly. Example: writing, proofreading, graphic design, video editing, data entry, social media management. These are another way to make money online if as a skill person. Where to start? Fiverr, Upwork, freelancer. What are all these things? It's talk about, especially in YouTube here. For you to make money here in YouTube, it matter on your video. It is not matter of luck. It is on your video. The way you design your video that determine the how view you get, because it is your thumbnail that will attract. So you need to get attractable thumbnail. Freelancer, Upwork, that will attract people to click and view what is your video talks about. You create a profile, list service and get paid per job. You create a profile, list service, what you can offer, and get paid per job at a specific price you keep. Selling product online, you don't need a physical job shop anymore. So it is simple. Just with your smartphone, you can start making money online. Drop shipping. Sell without holding invest inventory. Print and demand. Cost t-shirt, mug, etc. And handmade or resell products. Platform. 3. Content creation. You create a content and post it in your channel. Slow but powerful. This is very slow, but it is powerful. When they started to pay you, it may pay you in a very large stream income that you may not even expect. You may think that it will not pay at its starting. So if you are consistent, this can become a big income stream platform. YouTube, TikTok, Instagram, and you in Instagram. How you earn? Ads, sponsorships, affiliate link. If you have an affiliate link, you want to start an affiliate marketing. You are an affiliate marketer. Now you can drop your links and start running out. When someone click on your freelancing, it will now take him to where he will buy the product directly. You can also use WhatsApp. When the person click on your WhatsApp, you repeat yourself and explain the product to him, and when the product is favorable to him, he will buy. That is affiliate marketing. You need to study a product you want to start selling, or want to start share talks about, want to run hard on it, so that the buyer will come and buy you from you and you earn the benefit. You don't need a capital, you don't need to own a product on your own, but you selling other people products. That is affiliate marketing. Other people products and start making you promote products and earn commission. That is other people product, you you promote and make commission for your own. Example, share a product link, someone buy, you earn. Popular program, Amazon is a popular platform on you can list your product and sell. ClickBank. 5. Online skills, remote job. That are online skills, remote job. If you prefer stable income, virtual assistant, customer support, online tutoring, remote tech job. Reality check, reality check. There is no really get rich quick method in online business. Anything promising easy money with no work is usually a scam. Have to be taken note when you think say you want to make money online, and you will be thinking that you will be so fast. It will take you like 3 months, 6 months before you start seeing a big money coming to your way. It starts small, but it's a very big income when it comes to online business. So don't think that you will start making money immediately. You have to know that it is a long journey. So before at the end you will make it. Usually consistently beat everything. It consistently, but it beat every other business. Online business, maybe you make at a time when you are free, after your usually daily work. If you are ensured, do this. Start freelancing, quick income. Learn a high income skill, editing, coding, marketing, build content, or a small business on the side. All these are ways and guidelines step by step on how to make money online in 2026. So you know the way you are going to, and what you want to choose. You want to go for affiliate marketing, you have a skill, or you want to go for a remote job. Which one you want to choose? So start now. I recommend you affiliate marketing. That is the one you can start first. So meet me and also comment to me. I will drop affiliate link at the description here so that you can buy and start, or you can contact for more information. Thank you for watching my video today. Please subscribe and share. Thank you.